Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share two more pages in my artisan journal. Um, it is an open collaboration um, hosted by Life with Patti. It's a hashtag artisan journal prompt 2024, and I am kind of doing a catch-up video with week 3 and week 4, or prompt 3 and prompt 4. And they are stickers. And I could have gone crazy and put more stickers on here, but I wanted to keep it kind of, I wanted to keep it contained, I guess. So anyway, so I wanted to do like a travel theme page with my stickers. I had some in my stash that I wanted to use up. And what I did to the page, I gessoed the background. I added 2 types of acrylic paint. I stamped with my Dollar Tree stamp. and and I stamped on the background. I just love that look. And I added some stickers in my stash. Some of them are dimensional. I try not to make it too dimensional. Like these dimensional stickers had the puffy stickers on the back, and I took those off, and I just left the one that has a layer on there. So it's a little bit puffy, but not too many. This one is a mistake. This is a Polaroid, and it is upside down. And I don't think I can, no, I'm going to rip the paper. I'm going to rip it all. And I just, oh my gosh. So the Polaroid is going that way, so it's a mistake, but that's okay. That's okay. It's my journal. It's not perfect, and I'm okay with it. I probably will journal right here and, and say what a mistake that was. Anyway, here is another sticker from the Dollar Tree. So all these stickers are from the Dollar Tree, and I'm trying to use them up. I have so many. This is like a clear sticker that said explore the world. And I have this, like, it's almost like a, what is it called, that life cards, those, oh my gosh, I can't remember what cards, or journaling cards, I guess. I stamped this from Dollar Tree stamp, and I stamped it right there. I just added some stickers. These are these butterfly stickers are from my stash. I don't know where I got them, probably Dollar Tree. And yeah, and I just layered different kind of like theme paper, you know, little fishies. This looks like water. This says Hawaii in the background. And then these are cherry blossoms for Japan, you know, and these are just dots and script. And I try to keep the color scheme, the colors of the stickers, so they don't, so they would stand out a little bit. So yeah, so that is week 3 stickers. Then week 4 is my winter theme, and it's a snowman. I just love snowmen. So I had some paper, snowflake paper. It's like a very neutral color. I cut it down to size, and then around it I used some white acrylic paint. I think these are from Target. Just regular satin white, and I just, you know, dabbed it along the side that made it look kind of frosty. And I added a doily. This ephemera piece came from Michael's. It was in their Christmas ephemera, and I haven't used them, and so I'm like, Tereese, you need to use these things. And what a theme this is. It's perfect. I added some stickers from my stash. Some of them are kind of dimensional, and then I added some bling on top. And yeah, that is my journal page for week 4. So hopefully I'll be on again for week 5, 6, and maybe 7, and then I'll be all caught up. And then I can just do one every week. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Come join us if you want. It's not too late. You can do what I'm doing and do a couple pages a day, and you'll catch up real quick. So yeah, this is a lot of fun. I am so glad I am taking part in this open collab with Patti. Yeah, so thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.